Good morning, children. Welcome back to English class. Today, let us have revision 2 on lesson 1. So, remember well, children, the topics which are covered in this video, you should learn it well and prepare for test on 17th of this month. Okay? You have to write the test. I'll send the question paper in PDF. You have to write the test in A4 size white sheet, and you have to send, all of you should send it to my WhatsApp number. Okay? Let us have some revision part on lesson 1. Aunt Polly told Tom, "You always break my heart." The word break can be used in many ways when it is succeeded by words like up, down, into, out, etc. Now, try to understand what the expressions in the 8 box mean. Here is the 8 box. Now let us read the words. Break down, break into, break out, break up, break open, break open. Now let us know the meanings of these words, of these expressions. Break down. Break down in the sense, breakdown of a machine or motor vehicle suddenly cease to function. For example, his van broke down means stop working. His van stopped working. The next example, breakdown of waste products or sewage breakdown into low level of toxic materials. See children, if you bury some dried leaves or twigs of a plant in the soil, after some days it changes into manure, which is useful for growth of the plants. So here all the twigs and dried leaves break down into small particles which turns into manure. The next one, break into. Break into means, for example, he broke into a run when he saw the police. Or sudden start. Say if you see your loved ones or your parents becoming sick in front of you, you break into tears. You feel like breaking into tears. The next comes break out. Break out means now at present we are suffering, many of the people in our country and in many countries in the world, they are suffering with coronavirus. So now the coronavirus has been spread throughout the world. That is called spreading, means to break out. The next one, break up. Break up means to put an end to a relation or to a friendship. See, when your friend does something to you, or he may not be truthful to you, then you stop talking to him, or you break the relationship with him. That is called breakup. That means your friendship has been break up. Next, break open. Break open means opening something forcibly. Break open. The thieves, see, when there is a theft, what happens? The thieves break open the locks, of a jewelry shop or banks, and they do the robbery. So that is called break open. Have you understood the expressions in the 8 box? Now let us fill in the blanks in the sentences Just you have to alter the expression slightly. On his way to the office, Mr. Paul's car dash. There was no one to help him. Here we can place broke down. In the 8 box it is given as breakdown. You can change it as broke down, past form of break. Broke down. Next one, the robbers dashed the safe and escaped with a lot of money. The robbers broke open. Broke open, that means opening forcibly. They opened the safe forcibly and they ran away with a lot of money. Next one, let's dash for lunch. We'll meet again after an hour at the same place, the principal announced. Here, break up. Let's break up for lunch. The thieves dash the house at night when everyone was fast asleep. Here, break into is given. You can change it as broke into. The thieves broke into the house at night when everyone was fast asleep. Next one, the municipal corporation swung into action when they heard that malaria had dash in the city. Here, broken out. Malaria had broken out in the city. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Let us read the words in the 8 box. Lay, lay, laid, lay, farther, father, further, further, lost, loose, loosc, loose, heel, heel, heal, heal. Children, did you notice anything in this? Yes, of course. Here, the words are different. They have different meaning, but the pronunciation is same. Such type of words are called as homophones. Homophones are the words that sound the same but have different meanings. For example, see, here is an example. A home can be for sale, while a boat can have a sail. Here, a home can be for sale. Sale means to sell the house. Whereas a boat can have a sail, where the boat sails on the river. Just like buses runs on the road, travel on the road. Here this sail, S-A-L-E, sail means to sell. S-A-I-L, sail means to travel on water. The context of the word can help you understand or decide which homophone should be used. Now let us know the meanings of these words which are given in the 8 box. The first one, lay, lay. Lay means just to lay on the bed or to lay on the ground. Here lay, lie, lay and laid. These are V1, V2 and V3 forms, verb forms. The next one, further, further. Further means more distance in space than something else. Farther, further. Further means used to indicate the extent which one thing is distant from another. Lost, lose. Lose means I have lost my car keys. I have lost my book yesterday in the classroom, like that. That means unable to find, become unable to find. Next one, LOOSE, loose. Loose means my dress has become loose. Next, heel, HEEL, heel. Heel means back part of the human foot, below the ankle. And the same way, HEAL, heal. Heal means to cure some disease. HEAL, heal means to cure. Now, with these words, let us fill in the blanks given below. The wound took a long time to dash. Which word comes here? HEAL, heal, or HEAL, heal? Yes, HEAL, heal. Heal means the wound took a long time to cure. To get all right. Heal means to get cured. I think this point needs dash discussion. Further discussion. Here it's not FARTHER. Why? Because further means it's a distant away from the place. The mother gently dashed the baby on the grass. The mother gently lay the baby on the grass. Where did you dash that beautiful pen of yours? Where did you? Here, when you come to things, it's not lose, LOOSE. It's LOSE, lose. Lose means where did you lose that pen? Where did you lose that beautiful pen of yours? State true or false. Now here are some statements. Let us read these statements and put right or wrong. Okay. Tom held up his toe for inspection because he wanted to make sure that he could use it as an excuse for not going to school. Is it right or wrong? Yes, right. True, it is true. Tom was groaning loudly because he wanted to tell everyone that he was enjoying himself. Is he enjoying himself at home? No. He wanted to escape the school, but he is not enjoying it at home. So the statement is wrong, false. Next. The dental instruments that Aunt Polly used were a silk thread and a chunk of fire. Correct. It's true. Aunt Polly loved Tom a lot. Did Aunt Polly love Tom? Yes, true. Tom felt foolish because his act was caught. So, when he was playing tantrums with Aunt Polly, he was caught by Aunt Polly. So, this statement is true. Children, here is your assignment. Write all the fill in the blanks, true or false, one time, and learn lesson 1 for objective test of 20 marks on 17/8/20, that is on Monday. Thank you. Best of luck.